Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEPS Home School. This is Shahjadi Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today, I am going to take an elementary science class for class 5 students. My dear students, our today's topic, Chapter 2, CBQ from 1 to 5. My dear students, our today's topic Chapter 2 CBQ 1 to 5. Our today's lecture number 7 and SW number also 7. My dear students, let's start our class. This is Chapter 2 and in this class we will discuss CBQ 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now first CBQ 1, that is competency based question number 1. Environmental pollution is the addition of harmful or poisonous substance into the environment. Explain the harmful effect of environmental pollution. Answer will be environmental pollution has many harmful effects. Pollution is causing a lot of damage to human, animal, plants and also the environment. To human, pollution is causing many diseases. Diseases like cancer, respiratory diseases, waterborne diseases, also skin problems. Due to increase of pollution, these diseases are also increasing. Pollution is destroying animal habitats and food chain. Due to increasing pollution, many animals are becoming extinct. Due to pollution, average temperature of Earth is slowly increasing. This is called global warming. Due to global warming, the glaciers are melting and as a result, the sea water level is rising. If the sea level rises too much, many countries besides the sea may be flooded. We should be careful of the harmful effect of environmental pollution as it may cause great damage to our environment. Question CBQ number 2. Noise pollution is sound that harms the health of human life. What is noise pollution? What is the harmful impact of noise pollution? Noise pollution is excessive sound in the environment that harms the health of human and animal life. People causing noise pollution by unnecessary use of horns, playing songs in high volume and use of loudspeakers or mics. Noise pollution has severe mental and physical effects on human health. Depression, hearing loss, sleep disruption and loss of productivity are caused by noise pollution. CBQ number 3. How can we prevent and conserve environmental pollution, or explain what environmental conservation is? Environmental conservation is the sustainable and wise use and preservation of natural resources. We can conserve our environment by using our natural resources very carefully and by stopping excess use or waste of natural resources. Our natural resources are limited and misuse of these natural resources harms the environment, so we should use them wisely. For environmental conservation, we can reduce the use of electricity or fossil fuels. We can stop wasting electricity by turning off any electronic devices of vehicles by walking or riding bicycles. We can stop throwing garbage into drains, rivers, ponds or on grounds. We can dump waste in dustbins. One of the most important parts of environmental conservation is planting trees. We should plant trees as much as possible. We can try to keep our environment clean, and the most important is raising public awareness. It is the best way to conserve our environment. Now CBQ number 4. Soil pollution is the contamination of soil with harmful things. Explain the negative impacts of soil pollution on human health. Soil pollution is the contamination of soil with harmful things. Soil pollution is caused by the use of pesticides and chemical fertilizers in agriculture, waste disposal from household and hospital on soil, and leakage of chemicals or oils from factories. Soil pollution has many negative impacts on human health. People may get sick with various diseases including cancer by taking those foods from in polluted soil. My dear students, now CBQ number 5. Population growth is common problem in our country. Why does population growth cause environmental pollution? Population growth is the reason for many problems. It is also a major cause of environmental pollution. Increased number of people need much more food and place to live. So the population is increasing. People are cutting down trees to make houses. Rivers and ponds are filled up to make buildings. Many farmlands and forests are turned into buildings. Natural habitats of animals are being destroyed. Excess population also means excess waste or garbage. A large population will create large amount of waste which will harm the environment. Also, a large population means a large industrial growth. Many industries mean many factories, construction sites, brick mills, etc. These are main causes of environmental pollution. And large population also mean large number of vehicles, which is very harmful for the environment. So we can see population growth directly or indirectly contributes to the natural pollution. My dear students, your today's SW number is 7 and CBQ 5, that is this CBQ 5 is your SW and submit it on Saturday. My dear students, I hope all of you have understood our today's topic. Learn properly CBQ 1 to 5 and submit it SW CBQ 5 and submit it on Saturday. See you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz.